We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Alright friends, I fear it's time to wrap up Vlogmas officially and just do a quick little Christmas recap. I wanted to show you some of the amazing presents that I received, as well as Sam's unboxing. Now, we've said it time and time again, it's not about the gifts that you receive or the ones that you give, but damn if it's not fun to unwrap some stuff that you really think shows that you're seen. You're on camera, just want your reaction.
I look ugly, but good morning.
Not bad. Obviously, you've never seen my channel because I only look ugly on my channel.
It's okay. You can put me in there and all my authenticity.
Yes, that's what we do here.
Cute little brush set.
Yeah, so I've
purple.
loved that because it's like you can use it in the shower and it's like
That's nice. I'm looking for something like that actually.
they're very popular.
I feel like as I'm getting older, my hair's getting a little bit like knottier than it used to be.
Naughty.
This one's heavy. What the hell is this? Airstreet? Oh my god, did you get the Dyson hair dryer thingy?
Yes.
You're crazy.
Yeah. I mean, it wasn't cheap, but you're worth it. And it's exciting because of the technology. So in the event that you don't like this one, yeah, you got it. Like the color.
They really steal that bitch.
Yeah. They're luxury.
Wow. Damn girl, I know that was not shit.
Okay. Well, first thing was, you've been talking about wanting the vacuum. I felt like it was very suggestive to get you a vacuum. So I was like, and that's not really gifty per se, but then I was like, if you don't like this and it's a flop, you could always exchange it for a vacuum or any kind of Dyson thing.
The vacuum was just because of updated technology. The one
Oh yeah,
still works fine.
When I tell you, like,
wow, they really want to make sure this is sealed.
she luxury.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
She big girl.
Yeah. So it can work as like a hair straightener and or kind of a blow dryer. Like if you keep it like that, it has this shit on the side. And it's allegedly heatless, but you can do it from wet to dry.
Oh wow, this thing is like very high tech.
Yeah. So I just bought myself the hair dryer because this was always the plan, was to get you one of the things. And there's 3 hair care products from Dyson. There's the blow dryer, the air wrap, and then this is the newer thing.
The air wrap is the one I always hear.
Yeah,
about.
but we're not really like curly hair stylists, so I was like, I know you just like to straighten your hair.
Yeah, I'm not gifted on the curl.
Yeah, I saw a couple reviews online.
This is really pretty.
Yeah, the color combo was really another thing that I was like very
fancy.
Yeah, and so I used the blow dryer for the first time the other day.
How do you like it?
And it was like an enjoyable experience. Like I never said that about blow drying my hair in my life, but it was actually like fun. And that one's very powerful, so I can only imagine. But yeah, I figured you'd give it a whirl.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, well, I didn't either per se until I was looking at. So, yay. I hope it's fucking great. It looked like it was great on the... Yeah, well, I figured you'd let me know. Merry Samus.
I'm excited to use this bad boy.
I don't know if it's the ions. I couldn't tell you. Whatever alien technology that was, like, I was like, I'm having a great day. So... Good morning. We're back. And I say morning lightly because the Sandman really did his job last night, because once I did go down, man, it's like 11 something now. What time is it?
It's 11:28 a.m.
Yeah, I had to like run out of here real quick can get my coffee going, because I was like, well, before it's not Christmas morning, like, let's just get these presents open, and then I'll probably go right back to bed. But I really was thinking about the Sandman for a second. I was like, wow, no one talks about him anymore. And then I was thinking like gone but not forgotten, but I was like, no, it's like forgotten but not gone, because I still have my little Sandy. So let's open the rest of these cutie little gifts, shall we? I think I was like pushing it back for so long because it's like, it's just magical to see the tree like full and all that. So this is from Liam. Liam's my host at, I almost said Butcher Beat. Wow, your girl is still waking up. I apologize, but Liam is my host at Plants of Queen. And he is just the sweetest. Oh my God, I'm dying. It's cutesy. I'm gonna ruin the packaging. The packaging within the packaging is so cute. Hello, gorgeous. He always says gorgeous to me, which I just, oh, I love him so much. So 6 luxurious floral and sweet scented products. Sakura bath bomb, dream cream lotion, gorgeous moisturizer, rose jam shower gel, rub body scrub, and the comforter bubble bar. So cute. Free torched and pressed for life, as long as we're open. All right, what's next? Okay, Kelsey had stated that hers are kind of like a duo, but I don't really know which one to open first. So I'm gonna go with the little one first. Cute tea. Oh, that's a good one. Y'all really did your damn thing this year. Collection of teas from Tea Forte, which is really quality. Darjeeling quince, so quince is like apple. Mount Oolong with peach, orange jasmine, vanilla pear, and lemon lavender. I love this. Thank you, Kelsey. Got another one from Miss Kelsey. I was gonna say it's like pushy, but that's cute. I'm not prepared for this. Oh my goodness, that is very cute. She's so precious. A little teacup. And I love porcelain for tea. I know, like, you know, it's very English, but yay. All right, so thank you, Kelsey, for the thumbnail. Anyways, okay, so that's, there's still stuff in here. I almost like threw it meanwhile. Oh, there's even a little plate for it. Oh, this is top tier right here. Look how cutesy. All right, one more time for the reel. And then the last one. Christmas is over. You always do that, like, right? You're like, just making sure nothing else under here. Just making sure. I have a picture of like one of my favorite Christmases growing up. And I remember my poor grandparents, like I really put them through it. But I was determined to like catch that Claus. And I stayed up until, I had to be like 5 or 6 a.m. And I was trying to like wait out Santa Claus. And I remember it was kind of like similar to today, where I waited up so long that I like literally TKO passed out. And then they could finish it. But it was funny because I woke up in the middle, I think, and my grandma Santa Claus must have hidden. And I opened a bunch of stuff, and then I went back to bed, and then I woke up and there's more stuff. So I was like, was Santa here when I was getting up? Anyways, yes, they probably were. Okay, so last one, Sam's big one. Okay, so she got me an electric blanket. Okie dokie, cute. Very exciting for Finnegan, really. To be honest, I tried hers the other day. Well, I don't know. I tried the one that she just got. It wasn't a bit for me, but I'm excited to give this a go. And if not, then I'm sure Finnegan will just love having another cozy thing. I'll take this out in a little bit, but Merry Christmas, everybody. I will say, if I had to rank the gifts, I think it's nice because they all kind of go together in a way. This gives me like perfect self-care day, so you all win. I'll be honest, Neil with the McDonald's gift cards. I'm a simple girl. I am but a simple girl who just loves some chicken nuggets and a crisp Coca-Cola. But I hope everybody loves their gifts. If you didn't get any, that's okay too. Your present is the gift. Presence is the gift. I don't know. I've had plenty of years where my Christmases were kind of like sad, or, oh, I should put on the Christmas parade. Or because of like my circumstances, especially because like you gotta remember, like my grandparents like effectively passed away. My grandpa when I was 18 and my grandma when I was 22. And so like since then I've been kind of like rocking it solo. And I've had such great friends like Sam and the Benson family, like who have like adopted me in a way. But like overall, like that was always the feeling, was like people would always try to like adopt me for the holidays. Like you could come hang out with my family. And I was like, I just can't express enough that like whatever you make the holiday is what you make it. Cause like the thought process was always beautiful. And again, I'm very, very grateful because all these people like really know me and have gotten me such beautiful things. But just like, I don't know, I guess I would say like, if you have incredible friends and family like around for these days, like please just like appreciate that. You know, not everybody has that, and it's like, it does get sad at times, I'm not gonna lie. Like I always go back and forth between like, I don't want to say it like that, but I'm so grateful for my life that I utilize that as like, I don't want to say an excuse, but like I'm very grateful for everything that I do. And so I just know that it's like a byproduct of the circumstances that I'm in. And I wouldn't be in those circumstances if like my entire family was still alive, right? But yeah, it still doesn't make it any easier when you're like having these like you know, these moments where you're like, I will absolutely trade all the gifts in the world for like 2 minutes with them. But I didn't want this to get sad. I really didn't. No, it was not intended. Damn you, Kris Kringle. I just miss those motherfuckers. But you know, you look forward to seeing them soon. What was I was watching the Chosen Christmas special, and I guess like Mary was on her deathbed, but anyways, and Mary Magdalene comes to visit her, and she's just like, I just miss him so much, like, you know, meaning Jesus, him. And she kind of says to like Mary on her deathbed, like, well, it looks like you're gonna see him before me. Anyways, it wasn't like a funny joke, but like, you know, it's kind of funny to reflect on that line. But I guess I always think about it, like, I will see them one day again, you know, maybe not soon though, like, let's be real. I always say soon, but like, what is soon? Anyways, I'm gonna finish drinking this coffee and I'm gonna go cuddle with Finnegan, who, you know, is very cozy in bed because he has no gifts to open, but he had a good breakfast. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.
It will